The follow your passion scam. Hello, this is one shot to the future. Follow your passion. This is the most romantic, yet most destructive advice given to mankind. You see graduation speakers telling you to do what you love, and you quit your job to become a travel blogger or a painter. 6 months later, you are broke and depressed. Here is the truth. Passion is a terrible career advisor. Most of your passions are just hobbies. The market doesn't pay for your hobbies. It pays for your skills. Following your passion without skill is a one-way ticket to becoming a starving artist. Passion is a result, not a cause. We have the order completely backwards. You don't start with passion and then get successful. You get good at something first, see results, get respected, make money, and then passion ignites. Think about it. Do you hate your job because it's not your passion? No. You probably hate it because you are bad at it or you have no autonomy. If you were the top 1% in your field, making millions and getting applause, you would love it. Competence creates passion, not the other way around. Passion is a sugar rush. Passion is an emotion, and like all emotions, it is fickle. Comes and goes like the weather. Building a career on passion is like building a house on sand. When the sugar rush of a new project fades, what is left? Only discipline and mastery remain. Real pros don't need passion to work. They work because they are pros. Stop waiting for the spark. Start hammering the nail. As you get better, the spark will catch fire on its own. Part 1 Conclusion: Clearing the debris. We have spent 10 lectures destroying the fake causes. Miracle mornings, networking, hard work, perfectionism, passion. These are not the engines of success. They are just the paint on the car. Now that we have stripped away the illusions, we are ready to install the real engine. Stop looking for passion. Start building mastery. Part 1 is over. In Part 2, we finally dive into the real causes. Lecture 11. Money is physics. Get ready. Thank you. This was one shot to the future.